With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
The question is, read the following 4 statements carefully. So we are given with the 4 statements, and then we have to tell which of the following 2 statements are correct, and then we are given with the 4 options. So if we start with the statement 1, it says that the ventral respiratory group of neurons of medulla oblongata, it can cause both inspiration and expiration. So this statement is correct. So the medulla oblongata ventral respiratory group of neurons, they are basically 4 groups of neurons that are responsible for the process of respiration, that is for inspiration and expiration. So thus this statement is correct. And then the second statement, it says that the part of the respiratory system starting with the external nostrils up to the terminal bronchioles constitute the respiratory or the exchange part of the respiration. So what happens is, our respiratory system, so statement 2, our respiratory system, it starts from the external nostrils. So external nostrils, they act as the receptor of the air. So external nostrils, and then they lead to the nasal cavity followed by trachea, bronchi, bronchioles. Up till the bronchioles, this part, it is known as the conducting part because it conducts the passage of air from the outside towards the lungs. So followed by bronchioles, a structure that are the alveoli are present. So alveoli that are the main functional unit of lungs. So these are the respiratory or exchange part. So respiratory or exchange part, it is being performed by alveoli. So external nostrils till bronchioles, it is the conducting part, not the exchange part. So this statement is incorrect. So now if we come to the third statement, it says that during swallowing, epiglottis can be covered by thin elastic cartilaginous flap called glottis to prevent the entry of food into the larynx. So what happens is, the cartilaginous flap, it is the epiglottis, not the glottis. So what happens in the third statement, epiglottis, it is the flap, cartilaginous flap that covers the glottis to prevent the entry of food into the larynx. So here glottis is not there, here it is known as epiglottis, and the structure that is being covered, it is the glottis. So the structure it covers, it is the glottis, and the flap-like structure, it is epiglottis. So this is also incorrect statement. Statement 4 is that the binding of oxygen with haemoglobin, it is related with the partial pressure of oxygen. So we know that the partial pressure of oxygen, it is the factor that determines the binding of oxygen with hemoglobin. So binding of oxygen with hemoglobin is determined by partial pressure of oxygen. So greater the partial pressure of, so this statement 4th is also correct. So our incorrect statements are statement 2 and statement 3. So 1 and 4 are the correct statements. So now if we come to the options, option A is 2 and 3. No, this is incorrect because our correct statements are 1 and 4. So then B says 3 and 4, incorrect, and C says 1 and 2. This is also incorrect, and D says 1 and 4. So this is the correct option, that is option D.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.